Hello, friends. A very good evening and a warm welcome to everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening. So I hope you enjoyed the meditation, the first part of our today's session.
It was good. I really liked it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Friends, I had requested everybody to get a bowl of water. I hope everybody has got the bowl of water with them.
Yes.
It's glass of water, right?
You can have either the glass of water, but
Yeah.
or
That's
a
what I've kept.
bowl of water. Yeah.
Okay.
Give me 1 second.
We can wait for a minute. Let everybody get it if somebody has not got it. So let's wait for a minute and wait for others.
The bowl of water should be half full, no?
That's right. I'll just show you. This is the bowl. This is the bowl. This is the way you have to keep the bowl next to you. It has to be a glass bowl. कांच का बोल होना चाहिए आपके पास जिसमें आधा बोल पानी से भरा हुआ हो.
Not necessary कि transparent हो.
कोशिश करके ट्रांसपेरेंट रखिए तो बहुत अच्छा है. अगर नहीं है तो फिर ठीक है.
Should I shift to a bowl or glasses will do?
Glass will do. Only thing is it has to be a glass, a transparent glass.
Yeah, you saw mine, right? This is fine.
I'm sorry, 1 second. Let me. Yeah, that's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Friends, I'll just mute everybody. Today being a very, very, very powerful day where we have Budh Purnima, full moon, and eclipse. I was just sitting for the meditation and masters came to me and asked me to do a group meditation whereby an individual can manifest one wish of theirs. So this process has been given to me by Lord Krishna, Lord Saraswati, Goddess Saraswati, Lord Buddha, Ma Lakshmi, and Goddess Moon. So the entire process is given by all these masters to me. Let's start with the process, friends. I would request you to kindly close your eyes and center yourself and focus on your heart center, the backside of your heart center. Just focus on your heart center. Shatakamaratistakamayata shikinata tatsamakaratushtamatatasi. Sastanakamakur, shastanakamakur. Shatam karakarati, karakarati, karakarati. Neshtiki namarata shokarati samtaratish taratish taratish. Sastanakamakar kashanakamakar. Shatami kire kire ki shastamakarate. Sastamakarati shastamakarati nam shere kere kerete sastamakarate. Mitanakamaka shostamakarati shastamakarate. Nitemi kire kireshi sastama karati. Sham taratom tas sham taratom tas sham taratom sas. Shitemi kire kire ki shostama karati. Shostama karati. Shostama karati. Shestamakor kashtamakor kashtamakor kashtamakor. Shastomikir shostamakor shastamakor shastamakor. To go deeper into your heart, it is necessary so that you can center yourself and focus on this process of manifestation. I request you all to kindly open your eyes and take the bowl in the hand. Kindly take the bowl in the hand like this. If you have the glass, kindly hold the glass in your hand. Request the goddess moon to pour the entire energy of the moon in this water. चांद से कहिए कि उनकी पूरी ऊर्जा इस पानी में वो डाले. Friends, I'll be repeating it in Hindi because there are some friends who has requested me to speak in Hindi also. अपनी पूरी ऊर्जा सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपने अंदर, चांद से कहिए अपनी पूरी ऊर्जा इस पानी में डाले. शतकमारति शिकीयत समकरतो शतकनादत तसिमिकिनतो शकरति समतततसे सस्तानि किमितिरेतो शिस्तकतदतं कस्तन करति शस्तन करते मिते किरे 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 शमतर करतिम सस्तम करतिम शतामि किरे किरे तिम शस्तम करतिम कस्तम करतम मेष्टिकिना सस्ताम करका शिशि शिशि किरते तसामतिस्ते. Visualize the goddess moon is putting the entire light and the entire energy of moon in the water that you're holding. Shati karati sastam shastam kereti shastam kereti. Shatami kere kine kereti shastami kereti shastami kereti. Netini ki mere sho sastana karatum shastana karatam. Shiteme kereti kashtana karatum shastana karatum. Nekina shom sastere kereti shastana kereti shasasta tatakam sastana karatam. Shetine keretim shastana karati shastana karati. Shatami kere kireti shastana karati. Metona karati shastama karati shastana karati. Mishtama karatum shastana karatum shastana karatum. Shitemi kere kin shasasakam tarati shasasatakam shasasakam. Shotana karatam shastana karatam shastana karatam shashashtaratadakam shastam. Shashashtaratadakam shastam shastam. Shishishtaretim sastam sastam. Sasastarakam sastam, sastam sastam, sastam shastam, shusustaratam shastam shastam, shashastaratam shastam shastam. Let's show our gratitude towards the moon goddess. For pouring her energy, her light in the water. हम मून को, चंदा मामा को धन्यवाद कहते हैं कि उन्होंने अपनी पूरी ऊर्जा इस पानी में डाली है. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Lot of gratitude, lot of gratitude, lot of gratitude. Now I request you all to look into the water and repeat your wish again and again. Look into the water and repeat your wish again and again. पानी में देखिए और आपकी जो wish एक विश जिस पर आपका पूरा ध्यान था सुबह से, वो पूरा ध्यान आप पानी में लगा के उस विश को बार बार बोलिए, उस इच्छा को बार बार बोलिए। पानी में देखिए और जो इच्छा आपने सुबह से रखी हुई है वो इच्छा आप पानी में देखकर बार बार बोलिए। Repeat your wish looking into the water. Tashtono parati shikina tasakanashtara tamasiki nashtoro totosam. Sastana kereti mishikina to sakareti shimikereti shimikereti shimikereti. आपका पूरा ध्यान उस पानी में, your entire focus should be on the water, on your wish. Keep repeating the wish. Sasastaka shamtara shishtekina, metiki shastaka shastakana, mitami kereti mikireti shosasakarati shamakaratas meshtikinastaratom sharatim sharatim, sasastanaka shasasakam sharati sharati, sastakacham tarati karati karati, mitemi kireti shikinayata samakarati shamakarati, sastanakam tarakam shasastarakam tarakam, shitinakam saratim taratim sharatam tarakam, shite kiratim sasasakkarati shastarakam, shashastarakam shasastarakam, shashastarakam shashastarakam, shetikina sastam shishishikina tasastam, shashastam shashastam sasastam sasastam, shetikina sasastam sasastam, sasastam sasastam. Your entire focus on your wish and on the water that you're holding. Takashu sasasam tereki shasastam shashastam, te shikinastarakam shasastam shasastam, shitaki mikireti shakaniyata samakarati shtaraki, sastanakam karate karate, shitem kereti shasasam tarati, shastamike tasasam karate, shastanake zereshtarakam, sasastarakam tarakam shasastarakam, shastarakam 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 shastarakam, shite kirati rati 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 shastarakam tarakam, shastarakam tarakam tarakam, shistarakam tarakam, shasastarakam tarakam, shasestarakam tarakam, shasesterikam tarakam, shetinakam torati shasasakam torati shashashakam torati, shastanike tastanakum tastanakam, shetanakam tarake tarake tarake, sasastanakum tarake shasastam, shasastam sharastam shasastam sharastam, shastam shastam shashastam sharastam, shostam shastam shashastam sarastam, sastam sastam. Express your gratitude towards your own self. अपने आप को धन्यवाद कीजिए. Just express gratitude towards your own self. Shastam taraki shasastam kereti shasastam, shasastam kereti shasastam kerete, shastam kerete, shasastam kerete, shastam kerete, shastam kerete. Show your gratitude towards the water that you have it. It's one of the element of the 5 elements, and our body is 70% water. जो पानी आपके हाथ में है उसे धन्यवाद कीजिए. जो हमारा शरीर बना हुआ है वो 70% पानी से बना हुआ है. धन्यवाद कीजिए इस पानी को. धन्यवाद कीजिए. Show your gratitude towards the water. Shotamikireti shikinastarakam sasastam sasastam, shetikina samtarati shasastam 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 shasastam, shistam shistam shasastam. Just keep the bowl aside next to you and don't put the lid. पानी को प्लीज बंद मत कीजिएगा, कवर मत कीजिएगा. I request you all to close your eyes and be with yourself and focus on your heart center, on the back side of your heart center. Just focus on your backside of your heart center. Shetinikim sastarakimi shestarakama shastakana shasastakana metina shastarakam shastam sheshesterekim taraki shasastam shastanikim taraki shasastam shastanakam shastanakam sheshesterekim shashasterekim netinikim nostarakam shastamikeretim shostam shatam sheretim shastamikom tashtamakar tashtamakar. Go deep into your heart center. Deeper and deeper. Shastonokoma shastiriki shasastaratam shasastaratam. Mitana shosta ke shastem shastem. Shitem kereti shastom shastom. Shistanakam tastam. Sitem koroti shastam shastam. Shistiriki shastam shastam. Shitem kereti shastam shastam. Shatini kireti shastami kireti. Shastani keretom shastani keretom. Sestonatam tastanakam tastanakam shestanakam tarashtamakar tashtashtam karashtashtam satami kere tire ki shesishikina tarato shamakarato. Go deep and deep, deeper into yourself. अपने दिल के अंदर गहराई में और गहराई में जाइए, जाते जाइए और गहराई में और गहराई में. शसस्तो कष्टिमि केरेति शस्तानि केमे तेरेति शस्तामि केरेति शस्तामि केरेति शसस्तम करति शस्तम करति शस्तान करतोम शसस्तान करतोम मेति न करति शस्तान करतोम शस्तान करतोम शेति न करतिम शस्तान करतोम शेस्ति न करतोम शस्तान किरेतोम शिति की न तोरतिम शस्तान करतोम शस्तान करतोम शशस्तान करतोम शेति न करति शस्ति न केरेति सस्ता न करतम मेति न करतोम शस्ता न करतोम. Go deeper and deeper. सताम शेरे की शरति शरति सरति सरति शरति शाम तेरेति तरति 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 शस्ता न केरेति करति शस्ताम 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 शशस्ताम शशस्ताम सेता न शी केरेति शस्ताम 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 शशस्ताम शशस्ताम सतामी केरेकी न शो सस्तामी केरेति शस्ताम शस्तानी केरेति शसस्तानी केरेति साम तेरे कीरतो शस्ताना करतो. Your entire focus is on your heart center, at the back side of your heart center. Shokama sarati. Just go deeper and deeper and deeper into the backside of your heart center. Shotani kereti shastana karatim shasastari kereti shasastari kereti shastani keretim shastani keretim shashastara karatam shasastara karatam meshtina kereti shastani kereti shasastani kereti sham terekim shastarikim shasastarikim shashastarikim shotari kereki keshtari kerekim shastani keretim shastani keretim sham tereti tarati tarati shastani keretim shastani keretim Shastana karatim shastana karatim sasastara karatam sasastara karatam shostana karatam sasastara karakam shastana karatam. You're deeper into your heart, the backside of your heart center. Deeper and deeper. अपने दिल के गहराइयों में बीचों बीच में जाइए. शताम सेरे के शस्तारकरकम शसस्तारकम शसस्तारकम शाम तेरे की तस्तामी के शस्तामी के रेते ससस्तारकम ससस्तारकम शोम तारिकीन शस्ताम शस्ताम शेकिनमा सस्ताम सस्ताम शशस्तोम कशस्तोम सास्तीन के शस्तारिकीम शशस्ताम शशस्ताम शोम तारिति शोम तारिति शोम तारिति Sham tere te, sham tere te, sham tere te. Now you are deep into your heart center. You'll see a beautiful white pyramid. Move towards the pyramid. The entrance of the pyramid is at the back side of the pyramid. Walk towards the back side and enter into the pyramid. Shokamasi tariti shasasakam, shastanike shasastarikem. Sham tere ki shastami kerete, shastani keretim, shashastani seretem. Shotani ser shasastani ker, shotani sem sasastani kem. आपको एक बहुत सुंदर सा पिरामिड दिख रहा है. उसका दरवाजा पिछले साइड पे है. आप पीछे की तरफ जाइए और पिरामिड में एंटर कीजिए. शक्कन समकारति शनकारतम, शास्तामी केरेतीम शस्तानकारतम, मीतानकारशे सस्तानकारतीम, शीतामी केरे तीरे की शस्तानकारतम, शोस्तानकारति शस्तानकारति, मेतिनकारशीस सतामी केरे किरेशीस, मीतानकारशो सस्तामकारते, मितामी केरे केरेतीम शस्तानकारति, शीस्तानकारतेम शसस्तारकारतेम, शीतानकारते शसस्तानकारते. शेम तेरे की शेम तेरे की शेम तेरे की, सम तारकी शम तारकी शम तारकी. सनामी केरेती यशम सस्तारकोरते शस्तानकारति, मीतानकारतीम शस्तानकोरति, शेस्तानकारतेम शस्तानकारतीम, शेस्तानकारति शसस्तानकारति, शशस्तानकारति, shashastanakarati. As you enter the pyramid, in between the pyramid, you see a beautiful sparkling light pillar. Move towards the pillar and sit in the pillar. It's a beautiful white sparkling light in the middle of the pyramid. Shatastarokom shastarakim, shatam kereti shastanakarati, shostanakartam shasastarakaраtam, shetanakarati shasastarакаратим, sham tereti sham tarate, shashastarakam shashastarakam, netanashi sasastarakam shashastarakam, shetanasom sasastarakam sasastarakam. आपको एक सुंदर सा सफेद स्पार्कलिंग लाइट का पिलर दिख रहा है. उस पिलर के अंदर, पिलर ऑफ लाइट, उसके अंदर आप जाइए और बैठ जाइए. शोस्तारिकीम शसस्तारिकीम, शातिरिकीम शशस्तारिकीम, शोस्तारिकीम शसस्तारिकीम शशस्तारिकीम, शशस्तारिकीम शस्तारिकीम. मेताना केरे शो सस्ताना केरे तोम, शस्ताना केरे तोम शस्ताना केरे तोम, शतामी केरे तीरे किम शस्ताना केरे तोम, सस्ताना केरे तोम ससस्ताना केरे तोम, मीतोना शरते शसस्ताना करतोम, मीताना शरुतम शसस्ताना करतम, शाति मी केरेती शस्ताना करती शसस्तारा करती, नीताना करती शशस्ताना करती शशस्ताना करती. शाम तेरे कीम सस्तारिकीम ससस्तानिकीम ससस्तानिकीम, साम तेरे तोम ससस्तानिकीम ससस्तानिकीम, शीतानकारतीम शस्तानकारतीम, सस्तानकारते शशस्तानकारते, साम तेरे ती तम शरते, सस्तानकेरेतीम शशस्तानकेरेतीम, सस्तानकेरेतीम ससस्तानकेरेतीम, शस्तानकारतीम शशस्तानकारतीम, शस्तानकेरेतीम शशस्तानकारतीम, शोतानकारते ससस्तानकारते, शस्तानकारते ससस्तानकारते, शस्तानकारते शशस्तानकारते. Just breathe the white sparkling light. Breathe the white sparkling light. Som She Sastam Shastam Shastam. जो सुंदर सफेद स्पार्कलिंग लाइट है उसमें सांसें लीजिए और विजुलाइज कीजिए कि वो लाइट आपके अंदर जा रही है. Visualize the light is going inside. The beautiful white sparkling light is going inside as you breathe in. Shostamikir, Shasastamikir, Shastamakar, Shashastamakar. Shostamikir, Shasastamikir, Shostamikir, Shasastamikir. Shostamike, Shasastamike. Shatom Sarati, Shastamikir. Put an intention. I give myself permission to release all the blocks that does not serve me anymore. अपने आप को परमिशन दीजिए कि आपके जो भी ब्लॉक्स है वो आपके बॉडी से निकल जाए. As you breathe in, visualize the light going inside and the blockages are getting released. Shuttamikereti shastanakamashistarati shasastamakarate shastamakarate Shate mekereti shastamakarate shastamakarate Shastamikereti shasastamikereti Nastamiker nastamiker. Keep breathing the beautiful sparkling light. As you breathe, all your blockages are getting released. Shostana kamakar kastana kamiki shastani kemeke shastamakarati shashastamakarati shashastamakarati Sham tereki shastami kereti shastani keretim shastani keretim shasastani keretim shasastani keretim shotanikom tastanikom tastanikom shastanikom sastanikom shastanikom shetinikim shastanikom 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 metina shastanikom shastanikom नातिनी केरेती शस्ताना कमशी सस्तानी कमशी. सांसें अंदर लेते रहिए और विजुलाइज कीजिए कि आप जैसे ये वाइट स्पार्कलिंग लाइट की सांसें ले रहे हैं आपके सारे ब्लॉकेजेस आपकी बॉडी से निकलते जा रहे हैं, आपके शरीर से निकलते जा रहे हैं. सोस्तानकम शस्तानकम शस्तानकम शस्तानकम. Some might feel the tingling sensation, the pain. It's okay. The release process is happening. So just be in the process. Shostanakamashi-stastamakarati. Shasastanakaratam shastanakarati. Shotanakaratim shastanakarati. Shemekereti-retim shastanakarati. Shom taratim taratim taratim. Kitemekireti shasanakaratim. Shotanakarati shastanakarati. Shasastanakaratim shasastanakarati. Sham tereti tam tarati nastanakam shastam shastam shashastanakar shastam shastam. Some might even cry. It's okay. Let the tears flow. It's in a process of releasing. Sastanimike shostamike shastamike shastamike nitamakar shasastamakar shashastamakar natamike retim shastamakar shastamakar. You might feel heavy on some part of your body. It's okay. Just be in the process. Trust yourself and trust the process. Shatami keretim shastanikem, shotanikem sasastanikem, shistamiker shasastamiker, shastamiker sasastamiker, sham tarate tarate kanam sharate sharate, sam tarati shasastamiker, sham tarate shashastamiker, sham tarate sasastamiker, sham tarate sasastamiker. Shom tatatam sasta ekashtam shashashtam shashashtam शस्ताम शस्ताम शसस्ताम शसस्ताम शीतिन केरतीम शस्तानि केरतीम शस्तान करतीम मीतान करते शस्तान केरतुम शस्तान करतीम शशस्तान करतम शसस्तान करतम मीतान करते शसस्तान करतम मीताम करती शसस्तान करतम शस्ताम तेरती शस्ताम केरती शोताना करते करती 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 शस्तान तेरती शस्ताम तेरते मीताना करती शस्ताम केरती मसाम तरती शस्तेम केरती शस्तेम केरती शस्तेम केरती नस्तानि के तो शास्तानि के शस्तेम शरती ससस्ताम 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 शस्तामि केर कशस्तामि केर नातेने केर तसस्तामि केर नाश्तने केर तरतोष्टाम कोरते तीस्तमकर कष्टेर करस्तीम मस्तानकोम शसस्ताम ससस्ताम 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 मेतानकोर शस्तेम केरती शस्ताम नातानकर शस्ताम तेरती इस्तन केरती शस्ताम केरेतो शस्तेम केरतीम शस्तोम तेरतीम मेतानकोर शस्तोम तेरतीम किशेस तेरेकीम तसस केरतीम शस्तेरेकीम शसस तेरेकीम कष्टेरेकीम ससस तेरेकीम कष्टेरेकीम ससस तेरेकीम मेताना शोर कसस्ताम मेताना शोर कसस्ताम शसस्तेम शसस्तेम कीताना शेष कनष्टोरताम सेस्ताना कोर ससस्तेम शस्ताम शस्ताम शसस्ताम शसस्ताम केशोस्ताम शोस्ताम शस्ताम 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 शिस्तानकोम शसस्ताम शशस्ताम केतोनाशिस शतस्ताम सतस्ताम ससस्ताम ससस्ताम. As you breathe, just visualize the bowl that you had kept next to you in your physical level. Visualize that bowl has come in the pyramid and is kept next to you. शताम तेरती. विजुलाइज कीजिए कि जो बोल आपके फिजिकल लाइफ में आपने अपने पास में रखा हुआ था, वो बोल आपके साथ आपके बिल्कुल बगल में रखा हुआ है उस पिरामिड में जहां आप अभी है, इस वक्त है. शस्तामि केरतीम शस्ताना करती शशस्ताम करती शस्ताना करती साम केरतीम शसस्तानि केरतीम सस्ताना केरतीम शशस्ताना केरतीम सस्तामा करती शस्ताना कमतीर शशस्तामा करती शशस्तामा करती. Just visualize the beautiful white sparkling light is pouring its energy into the water. Just visualize. Visualize कीजिए कि जो बोल आपके पास में पिरामिड के अंदर रखा हुआ है, सुंदर स्पार्कलिंग वाइट लाइट, वो पूरी अपनी ऊर्जा उस पानी में डाल रहे हैं. शोतानि के रेशतामि के शस्तानि के शसस्तामि केर मीताना करती शसस्तानि केर शीस्ताना करती शशस्तानि केर शोमतारा की शसस्तामि केर शस्ताना करती शसस्तामि केर शस्ताना केरेतेम शस्तानि केरेते शशस्तारा करतम शशस्तारा करतम मीताना करतोम शस्ताना करती शस्ताना करतोम शशस्ताना करतोम मितामि केरे कीरेति शस्ताना करती सस्ताना करतोम शसस्ताना करतोम मेताना शोम ससस्तारा करती शस्ताना करतम मेताना करती शसस्तानि केरेते मिताम केरेतीम शस्तानि केरेति मेस्तामा करतो शस्तानि केरेति मेस्तामा करती शसस्तानि केरेति मीतामा केरेति शस्तोमि केरेति माताना करशो सस्तामा करती मेस्तामा की शस्तामि केरेति ना सेकेतो शस्ताना करतोम शस्ताना केरेति शस्ताना केरेति शमास करती शसस्तारा करती मीताना करती शस्ताना करतम मिताम केरेतीम शस्ताना करतम सस्ताना करतम ससस्ताना करतम सस्ताना करतम शसस्ताना करतम शस्ताना करतम शसस्ताना करतम मीताना करती शसस्ताना करतम shasastana karatam. Matami kereti shasosokama karati, sastana kerete, kastana kerete, mita makarati, shasta makarati, mita makarati, shasastana karati, mita makarati, shasastana karati, mita makarati, shasastana karati, sham tereti, sam tarate, sasastana karati, mita na shom, sasastana karate, sasastana karate, sasastana karate, sham tere kim, sasastana karate, मीता न करती शस्ता न करती शताम तेरे की सस्ता न करते शस्ता न करते मीस्ता न कोम शसस्ती मीस्ता न कोम शसस्ती 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 मीस्ता न कम शास्ते शास्ते पिताम केरेती शस्ते शस्ते म्यास्ता रकुम शस्ताम शस्ते शस्ते शस्ताम केरती शस्ताम केरती म्यांतरते शस्ताम केरती कस्ताम केरती किस्ताम केरती कस्ताम केरती शस्ताम केरती शस्ताम केरती शस्ताम केरती शस्ताम केरती शस्ताम केरती इताम शिरती सस्ताम केरती शस्ताम केरती शस्ताम केरती sastam kiriti. Now visualize you sitting in the pyramid, holding the bowl in your hands. आप जिस पिरामिड में बैठे हैं, विजुलाइज कीजिए कि आप बोल को, जो आपका बोल पिरामिड में बिल्कुल आपके बगल में है, आप उसको दोनों हाथों से पकड़ रहे हैं. आपको फिजिकल लाइफ में नहीं पकड़ना है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ पिरामिड में विजुलाइज करना है कि आप उस बोल को हाथ में पकड़े हुए हैं. Just visualize the bowl that is kept next to you in the pyramid. You are holding that bowl. Shastami kereti, shasastami kereti, shotana karatim, shastana keretim, shastami keretim, shastani keretim, shastana karatim, shasastara karatim, shastana karatim, shashastana karatim. You're holding the bowl and the pyramid is pouring the beautiful white sparkling light into your bowl, into the water. And you are breathing the beautiful white sparkling light. Shastamikir tashastamikir, shastanikor shastamikor, mate mekereti shastamikor shastanikor, meta makarati shastamikor shastamikor, nam tarati shastamikor shastamikor, naste meke shastamikor, nitanako shastanakom, metanaka shaste shaste, नातमकर शस्ताम शस्तोम शताम सिरते शस्ताम शिरते नो तारकम शस्ताम सिरते मिताम केरतीम शस्ताम सिरते ससस्तमकर ससस्तमकर नातेमिके शस्ताम केरते नस्तमकोर शस्ताम केरते मीतानकोर शस्ताम केरते मेस्तानकोर शस्ताम केरती नेतानशो शस्ताम शिरते नस्तनकोर शस्ताम सिरते श्याम तेरेती तमकर शरती शस्तामी केरेतीम शस्ताम तेरेते मेतना शोर सस्ताम सस्ताम मेतना शोर सस्ताम सस्ताम मेतना शोर सस्ताम सस्ताम मेतना शोर सस्ताम सस्ताम सताम केरेतीम सताम केरेतीम शस्ताने केर सताम केरेतीम शस्तेरेतीम शस्तेरेतीम मेतना कोर शस्तेरेतीम शोतामिकेर तश्तामिकेर तताम तेरे कीम तस्तामिकेर शस्तामिकोर 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 शसस्तामिकोर शसस्तामिकोर शस्तानाकोर सस्तामिकोर शताम तेरे ते शताम तेरे ते शताम तेरे ते शताम तेरे ते. Now focus on the wish that you want to manifest. That one wish that you want to manifest. Just focus on that wish. Your entire focus on the wish you want to manifest. Just focus on your wish that you want to manifest. आपका पूरा ध्यान, पूरी ऊर्जा अपने उस इच्छा पर, जो इच्छा आपको पूरी करनी है, अपना पूरा ध्यान अपनी उस इच्छा पर, जो इच्छा आपको पूरी करनी है. Entire focus, entire energy on that wish. Take your time and focus on that wish. Just focus on that wish. Your entire focus on the wish you want to manifest. आपका पूरा ध्यान अपनी उस इच्छा पर, जो आपको अपनी इच्छा पूरी करनी है. आपका पूरा ध्यान आपकी इच्छा पर. Just focus on your wish that you want to manifest. Your entire energy on your wish that you need to manifest. आपकी पूरी ऊर्जा सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपकी इच्छा पर, जो इच्छा आपको पूरी करनी है. Just focus on your wish that you want to manifest. आपका पूरा ध्यान आपकी इच्छा पर, जो इच्छा आपको पूरी करनी है। Now center your entire energy of your wish. Center your entire energy of your wish and pour it in the water. आपकी इच्छा की ऊर्जा को एकाग्रित कीजिए और जो बोल आपने पिरामिड में पकड़ा हुआ है आपके हाथ में, उस सारी ऊर्जा को वो पानी के बोल में डालिए। Center your wish energy and pour it into the water in the pyramid that you're holding. Take your time and do the process. Be in the process. Trust yourself and trust the process. आपको फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में नहीं करना है, आपको अपने पिरामिड में जो पानी रखा हुआ है उस पिरामिड में, उस पानी में डालना है। फिजिकली आपको आपके हाथ में बोल नहीं पकड़ना। The bowl that is there with you in the pyramid, pour the entire energy into that water. Trust your senses and trust the process. As you feel you have poured your entire energy of your wish into the water, transfer that energy from the pyramid to the real life, that is your physical self. Transfer the entire energy into the bowl that you have kept next to you in your physical self. पिरामिड में जो आपने अपने बोल में, पानी के जो बोल में पूरी ऊर्जा डाली है, जो आपकी इच्छा की ऊर्जा डाली है, वो सारी ऊर्जा अपने फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में जो आपने बोल आपके पास में रखा है, उस बोल में वो सारी एनर्जी आप ट्रांसफर कीजिए। अपने आप पे विश्वास रखिए और इस प्रोसेस पे विश्वास रखिए। Transfer the entire energy into the physical bowl that you have kept next to you. Trust your senses. Have trust on yourself. आप ये कर सकते हैं। जो पिरामिड में आपने ऊर्जा को जगाया था, वो सारी ऊर्जा फिजिकल वर्ल्ड में आपके पास में जो बोल पड़ा है, उस बोल में ट्रांसफर कीजिए। If you want, you can hold the bowl in your hands in your physical world. आपको चाहिए तो अपने हाथों में बोल लेके, बोल पकड़ के आप अपनी पूरी एनर्जी जो आपने पिरामिड में क्रिएट की थी, वो सारी ऊर्जा आप इस पानी में डालिए। जो इच्छा पूर्ति की ऊर्जा आपने क्रिएट की थी पिरामिड में, वो सारी ऊर्जा इस पानी में डालिए। ट्रस्ट योर सेंसेस। अपने आप पे विश्वास कीजिए, अपने इंद्रियों पे विश्वास कीजिए। As you complete the process, just keep the bowl next to you. जैसे ही आपको लगता है आपने पूरी ऊर्जा उस पानी के बोल में ट्रांसफर कर दी है, उस पानी में ट्रांसफर कर दी है, वो बोल साइड में रख दीजिए। और आंखें बंद करके अपनी ऊर्जा पे ध्यान दीजिए। Keep the bowl aside if you feel you have transferred the entire energy of the pyramid. Just keep the bowl aside and center yourself. Let's wait for everybody to complete the process. Shatama karati sastata kamasho sastani kireti shasastana karatim. Shatini kiritim shastana karatim shasastana karatim. Shastana karatim shastana karatim shasastana karatim shastana karate. Sham tere kim sastana kiritim shasastana karati shasastana karati. Shom tarati 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 shasastana karati. Shastana kiritim shasastana kiritim. Shastana kiritim shasastana kiritim. Shotani kiritim shastana kiritim shasastana kiritim shotana kiriti shasastana kiritim. Shastana kiritim shasastana kiritim. Shotana kiritim shasastana kiritim. Shistana kiritim shasastana kiritim. Shastana kiritim shasastana kiritim. Shatiritim shastana kiritim. Kishom tasi 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 shastana kiritim shastana kiritim. Shekina som taskana te shaskana kum shastana te shastana kiritim shastana kiriti mitana kiriti shastana kiriti mitana kiritim shastana kiriti mitana karati shastana kiriti saskana kiritim shastana teratim mitana kiriti shastana karati mastana karatim shastene kiriti nastiniti kashtanako sastana kiriti shastana kiriti shasastana kiritim shastana kiriti mitana kiritim shastana kiritim shastana kiritim mistana karate shastana kirite mistana karatim shasastana kirite shustana karate shasastana karate shasastana karate shasastana karate sham tere ki shasastana karate sham tere ti sasastana kirite sham tere tim sasastana kirite kirite shasastana kirite shasastana kirite. Slowly come back to your body. Slowly come back to your body. Rub your hands and keep it on your eyes. And open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Now the water that you have kept next to you, I request you all to kindly drink that water and have the gratitude towards the water. जो आपने पानी अपने पास में रखा है, वो प्लीज वो पानी पी लीजिए और अपना आभार व्यक्त कीजिए उस पानी की तरफ, उस बोल की तरफ. Show your gratitude towards the bowl, towards the water, and have that water.
Sapna?
I request you all to be on a mute, please. Just have that water that is kept next to you. Just to compile everything that we did today. Keep one wish for the entire day. Hold the energy. We did the meditation of manifesting that wish in the entire process that we did now. The masters have given me the message to do this meditation for 40 days to manifest your wish. Do this process every day, anytime after 8 o'clock in the evening. I will be uploading this video on my YouTube channel. And you can just watch this video and do the process for next 40 days. Thank you very much. Thank you. Anybody would like to share their experience? Kindly unmute and share their experience.
Hello, Didi. Priya.
Yeah, Priya.
Thank you very much, Didi. It was
could
very
awesome. Priya, could I request you to put on the video, please?
Oh, okay, ma'am. Wait. Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for joining. Thank you.
Amazing, ma'am. Amazing. It was really very amazing. Very nice. I was deep in the meditation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sapna ji. Thank you.
Thank you, Janvi. Could you please share your experience?
It was really beautiful, very blissful.
Thank you.
First time I've attended, actually. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'll definitely go on the YouTube and do it for the 40 days.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anybody else would like to share the experience, please?
Yeah, I can.
We can attend this. We can just go to the YouTube and probably you will put it on the YouTube on your channel.
I will put it on my channel and I will send the link in the group. Everybody is there in the group. So I will just put it on the group. The link, I will put it on the group.
Thank you very much, Sapna. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hi, Sapna.
Hello.
I have a small query here.
Yeah, please, Neha.
You said we have to make a wish and that will manifest, right? So I had made a wish for somebody else, not for myself. So the water that you told us to drink, so should I drink the whole water or should I keep a part of it for the one whom I have wished for?
See, basically, the wish is for your own self and not for others. It is your own world.
Right.
It is your own universe.
Got it.
So I would request you that do this meditation again and keep the wish for your own self.
Okay. So now this one, what I did today, I did.
You can do whatever your heart says.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. I felt really peaceful. Thank you so much, Sapna.
Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else would like to share their experience?
Didi, just a minute.
Yeah.
But I drank the water. I made the wish for my father.
See, it's basically the wish has to be for your own self because it is your own world.
Yeah.
So do as your heart says. Trust your senses.
Yeah, I was wishing for him, so I drank the water.
That's okay. That is absolutely fine.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. This is Sangeeta Wadhwa here. Sapna, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
It was a beautiful meditation. And there was a constant, pressure at my heart chakra.
So basically, there is something that you're holding on.
There was a constant, and itching and tingling here and there all over the body.
Mr. Sudeep,
Sapna, I have this question.
One second, Mr. Sudeep, can you please unmute? There is somebody else is already talking. So could you just unmute, please, for a minute?
There was tingling and itching all over the body here and there.
Mm-hmm.
On the whole, it was a beautiful and a very, very powerful meditation.
Thank you very much.
Very powerful meditation. Thank you so much. Immense gratitude to you and the masters.
Thank you. Thank you. Sangeeta, I would just suggest you one thing. There is something that you're holding on. So just check within yourself, what is that you're holding on to, and release it.
Okay. Another thing I would request you for such more beautiful and powerful meditations.
Yeah, you're on the group. You will keep getting such kind of meditations on and off.
Thank you so much. So grateful to you.
There's one query, ma'am, that is why we have to keep it in a glass bowl, not a porcelain bowl or not a steel bowl.
Okay.
Okay, I had a glass bowl, so which is
See,
fine.
glass basically holds the energy. Any other metal, any other thing, so whether it is a steel, it's a copper, they absorb the energy. So the energy that you built is basically holded by the glass. That is the reason we suggest that keep a glass bowl.
It's sort of.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I think I got that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Sapna, this is Lena here.
Hello, Lena. Please tell me.
Ma'am, it's an amazing session. Actually, I experienced previous one also. It was really very beautiful, and this one again a very means amazing. You just pour all your energy in this process, and whenever I hold that bowl, I feel that the energy is pouring inside the bowl, inside the water.
See, frankly, it was not my energy, absolutely not my energy. It was all your energy. It was all your energy.
But the process is through you, so it's amazing, Sapnaji. It's really amazing.
It's through masters. I mean, I have been given the process through masters, so just thank them.
I would looking forward to learn a new things from you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. Anybody else would like to share their experience?
Hey, Sapna. Hi, this is Shubhajit out here.
Hi, Shubhajit. Could you please put on your video? I would request you to please put on your video.
Okay. Yeah. Can you see me? I don't know.
Yeah, I can see you. Thank you.
I see myself. Okay. So as usual, this was wonderfully liberating, and the vibrations, I think many of them already speak of the vibrations. It actually manifests itself. So you can visualize what you are wanting to do. So this has not been a one-off thing, but it has been a repeating occurrence. So thank you so much again and again for this help. This actually helps a lot.
Thank you. Thank you. I would request all to do it for next 40 days.
Thank you.
Yeah.
This is Jyoti Joshi. Can I talk to you for a while?
Yeah. Please, Jyoti ji, please.
सपना जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे. मैंने आपका ये जो आज ज्वाइन किया, और मैं आपको ये पूछना चाहती थी कि जो भी बेस्ट जो आपने बोला खुद के लिए मैनिफेस्ट करो, वही मैंने अपने इमीडिएट फैमिली के लिए किया है विश. तो दैट्स फाइन, नो?
नहीं ज्योति जी, बेसिकली आपकी अपनी दुनिया है, एक अंदर आपकी दुनिया है जिसको आपको अपने लिए मैनिफेस्ट करना है. अगर आपके फैमिली को मैनिफेस्ट करना है, आपके बच्चे हैं या आपके हस्बैंड है या आपके फादर है या मदर है, उनको खुद के लिए मैनिफेस्ट करना है, तो उनको बोलिए ये मेडिटेशन देखने के लिए और उनको बोलिए मैनिफेस्ट करने के लिए. तो आप जो देखेंगे, आप जो करेंगे वो आपके लिए करेंगे.
Okay. So it was very nice session with you.
Thank you.
Looking forward to do many more with you.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Jyoti ji.
सपना जी, मेरा एक सवाल था.
I'm sorry,
Hello?
who's this?
Lena, this is Lena.
Yeah, Lena, please tell me.
जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि न्यू फुल मून पे रिलीजिंग करते हैं एंड द न्यू मून पे मैनिफेस्टेशन करते हैं, तो ये दोनों इसमें थोड़ा सा आई डोंट.
देखिए, आज का बेसिकली आज का जो दिन है, दैट इज, मैं थोड़ा इंग्लिश में बोलूंगी, थोड़ा हिंदी में बोलूंगी, क्योंकि कुछ लोग हैं जिनको इंग्लिश कंफर्टेबल है और कुछ है जिनको हिंदी कंफर्टेबल है. सो बेसिकली टुडे इज अ डे ऑफ, देयर आर 3 important events today. One is Buddha Purnima, second one is the full moon, and third one is the eclipse. So that is a reason today it's a manifestation as well as the release. So what we did is basically we did the release of the blocks. हमने जितने भी आपके जो भी blocks है वो release किए, और plus जो आपकी इच्छा है वो manifest की. So that is a reason we did the entire process of combining these two things.
So next, अगर next day से हमें कुछ करना है, तो we have to do follow all this process. But
So
we can
basically this process you will have to follow it for next 40 days. आपको ये 40 दिन तक करना है, ये 40 दिन तक ये मेडिटेशन करना है. ये जो पूरा प्रोसेस जो आज हमने किया है, वो सारा प्रोसेस 40 दिन के लिए करना है, और वो सेम विश आपको अपने पास रखनी है. विश बदलनी नहीं चाहिए. One should not change the wish from one wish to the other wish. So the entire 40 days has to be the same wish.
Okay.
Hello, Sapna. Neha once again.
Yeah, Neha, please tell me.
I have 2 doubts. Okay. No, I have to tell you 2 things.
Please tell me.
Every time we meditate, there is some other thing happening at my.
Neha, your voice is cracking very badly. I'm so sorry.
Am I clear now?
Yeah, you are.
Yeah. So every time we are doing meditation, something or the other is happening with my back. As I told you about my last meditation also, I had a severe back pain.
Right.
Today also, we were focusing on the inner heart. When you say, go deep into your heart, go deep into your heart. So that time I had 2 things happening. One thing, I had pain in my lower back, one thing. And second thing, I had pain in the right shoulder blade. Those 2 things happened, and it was noticeably more. And second thing, when you said pour the energy from pyramid glass to your physical glass, right? So that time I could visualize I'm pouring the energy. I could see the whole big chunk of something sparkling falling into this glass. And so I imagine that sparkling thing is getting melted into it. So some part of it got melted, but some part still remained as a chunk. So I thought that chunk part, I would give it to the person for whom I had made a wish. So is it okay, or is it that important that I should drink it off all?
Go with your senses.
Okay. And why the pain? Every time with the why the pain?
Pain is basically when you release, you get different sensations in your body. So pain is like one of the sensation. It could be pain, it could be tingling sensation, it could be some people cry, some people laugh. So it's a way of releasing.
Okay.
So when you release, it's basically some or the other thing happens to your body.
When you said release, there were first some black boxes, like square black boxes coming out.
These are all your personal experiences, Neha ji.
Oh, God, right. Okay. And now, as you said, I have to wish for myself from tomorrow onwards. So it has to be a materialistic thing, or what else? Else also, other things also I can
go with your senses. Go with your own senses.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah, Pooja, I'm so sorry you have been waiting for such a long time. Please, you can unmute and you can ask, please. Pooja Roy. Pooja, you can unmute at your side. Okay, okay. So you can just put a message either in the group or here, and I will reply. Anybody else would like to share their experience? You can just unmute yourself, please. आप अपने आप को unmute करके आप बात कर सकते हैं. हाँ नूतन आंटी, आप अपने आप को unmute करके बात कर सकते हैं. बोलिए.
Hello, Sapna. Today's experience was very good, very good. I just lost in I don't know what happened, but it was really, I have no words. Thank you so much.
Thank
you.
Thank you. I would request everybody to continue for next 40 days. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Sapna.
Thank you. I'm sorry, who's this?
Vikram.
I'm sorry, I can't hear you. Who's this?
Thank you, Sapna. Thank you so much. Thank you. It was really blissful. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sapna ji. This is Rahul.
Yeah, Rahul, could you please put on your camera?
1 second. Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, can you see me?
I can.
Yeah, hi. Yeah, it was really good. I mean, so at one point, I mean, I got some disturbance on my left hand when we were talking about the chakra thing. So something was pinching me so hard that it was trying to disturb me from getting out of it. I don't know what was it, but I was getting like a lot of pinches on my left hand suddenly, and I was like very much surprised what is happening. But I was not like ready to leave that bowl from my hand. So when we had that bowl in hand, that is when it was happening. So I don't know what was it, but it was kind of different.
One second, Rahul. One second. Could I request others to unmute, please? Could I just request others to be on mute so that we can hear Rahul? Yeah, Rahul ji, I'm so sorry. Please.
Yeah, that's what I was like. I mean, I was feeling that way when we were holding that bowl. So there was something which was trying to like, make that bowl fell from my hand. Frankly speaking, I felt that way. I don't know what was it, but it was really different.
See,
And
it's
then I was like
basically
very
your
strongly
own,
holding it.
Yeah, it's basically your own inner world. You have positives and negative in your world.
Mm-hmm.
So your positive will take you ahead and your negative will hold you back. So this was something which was your own negative thing which was holding you back. You just need to check yourself, what is that you are holding on to.
Okay, got it. Yeah, there are a lot of things actually.
I'm
So
sure,
that's right.
because we have it.
Right. Okay.
Thank you for joining. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It was really good.
Thank you. Anybody else would like to share their experience? I'm sorry I've not been able to thank everybody on the message. So thank you everybody. Whoever messaged me, thank you very, very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Sapna. Thank you.
Thank you. I end up this meeting with a gratitude for joining. Gratitude to everybody for joining this meeting. Thank you very much. Thank you. God bless you all.
Sapna. Thank you. God bless you too.
Thank you.